After struggling with mod update checker issues and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I finally discovered multiple effective ways to get things working again, and I'm excited to share them with you right now. Many players encounter the frustrating situation where their mod update checker reports broken mods or fails detection, stopping their game fun. This video will show you exactly how to fix mod update checker broken mods detection failed error. First, verifying your game files is crucial because corrupted or missing core game files can confuse the mod manager, making it think mods are broken when the base game itself has issues. By checking the game's integrity, you ensure the foundation for your mods is solid. Second, updating your mod manager is often overlooked. Older versions might not understand new game updates or mod formats, leading to false error reports. A new manager version can correctly interpret the latest data. Third, clearing the mod manager's cache helps remove old, temporary files that can become corrupted over time. These stale files can cause the checker to misread mod statuses, so a fresh cache ensures accurate detection. Finally, manually reinstalling problematic mods ensures you have clean, uncorrupted mod files. Sometimes, a mod download gets damaged or an update goes wrong, so a fresh install guarantees the mod itself isn't the source of the detection failure. These simple methods cover the most common reasons your mod setup might be struggling.